and gentlemen, this is Quincy Stevens again. He's on the phone. I can hear him over there up against the fence. It's like he's talking to his wife in the house. He's messing with that fence. This ain't a foreign harassment. I don't know what it is. It's like they're trying to set me up for something. But he ain't doing nothing to the fence this time. He's right behind those bushes over there. And I could hear something on the phone that he's talking on. Hey, baby. I'm going to walk around this way, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I can paint on mine. Let's see what he's up to. Hey, Phil. He's left out of the fence now. He's walking back and forth with the fence on the other side now. What he's doing, to tell you the truth. He's on the other side of the fence right now, next to the house. I think he just hung his phone up. I don't know what he's doing. He's walking back down the fence. Well, he ain't next to my property line, so I'm done with it. Another slice of life on War of the Jackal, 24th. Let's get her done.